Marcantonio Franceschini was born 1648, died December 24, 1729. He was an Italian painter of the Baroque period, active mostly in his native Bologna. He was the father and teacher of Giacomo Franceschini. Franceschini had a long career painting canvases on religious and mythological subjects for patrons throughout Europe. Franceschini decorated some ceilings in the Palazzo Ranuzzi and the Palazzo Marescotti Brazzetti in Bologna. He helped paint in the tribune church of San Bartolomeo Porta Ravegnana. Franceschini frescoed the ceiling of the Sala d'Onore in the Ducal Palace of Modena. Commissioned in 1696 for the marriage of Rinaldo to Princess Charlotte Felicity of Brunswick, he painted the altarpiece in the Cathedral of Finale Ligure and the canvas of San Carlo in the church of the same name in Modena.